Three, two, one. So this is the next part in the series. In the a little bit of recap, we did the unboxing of Asus Chromebook C214 Flip, and then towards the end of the video, it was totally discharged. It wouldn't even boot up, so I had to break the video right there. So now I'm back and it's recharged like full. Also, important point is it was written in the manual to charge it for the first time before use for 3 hours. So you must also, when you get it, you must charge it for 3 hours. So for the start, when you are ready to follow this guide, you will need a fully charged Chromebook and a Wi-Fi connection. The Wi-Fi connection is a must. It just needs to have Wi-Fi to even go to the next step. Like we will see, even the first step would be to connect to a Wi-Fi. This video would also act as a FAQs video. What I mean by that is FAQ collection video, sorry. Uh, you get to comment all your questions and doubts under this video so I can collect it all and make a follow-up video within 2 days, and I'll answer all those questions or doubts and you will get a better idea. So opening the lid, and you don't even need to press the power button, like it would just wake up from sleep like that. You can press the power button and still it would work, but even the opening of the lid acts as a wake up for the Chromebook. So this is the first screen, first welcome screen. Let's begin. So we would, and here is the notification panel or quick toggle menu. It's similar to a smartphone. Everyone is using one nowadays. So it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, accessibilities options, keyboard, brightness, volume, everything. And now we'll connect to a Wi-Fi. See, the first screen was the connect to Wi-Fi, and it supports both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, so you don't have to worry. Okay, it's in the frame, I guess. Let me just give me a second. Okay, so I guess now it's connected. Yeah, so here's the screen, and this is a optional setting, and even I made a video regarding Realme phone setup. So this is like sharing your data. They say that it'll be anonymous and it will not be shared to third party and all, just for the benefit of Google and improving the Google sense, but you don't need to accept it. I mean, why would you? It's not that you are getting away with anything by accepting those terms. So your safety is in your hands. Don't accept it. Just uncheck the box and then go on and to the next screen. Okay, so straight up it's checking for new updates, and now there's a user panel, and there is this child mode also, as you can see. I'm not sure if it's coming very clear, but it's child mode for the parental controls and what apps you can or you cannot install in the Chromebook, what websites you can access. Every tech company nowadays giving importance to children's safety in this online world, so that's good. It's also as a guest mode, so if you just need to lend it to someone for a work, you can. But we will of course go with the you, cause thankfully I'm an adult, so I will just go with the normal setup, and you too, I hope. A little bit of brightness control. I don't think the camera is getting it. Okay, it's all right now, I guess. I mean, you can still follow the voice guide. And if you don't have an account, you can just create one right here. It has an option. But I have an account, so I'll just punch in that one and get logged in for the next steps. A little benefit of it going all the way down, that I can make it just flat and then it would be more focused. I need to do something about this setup, I guess. It's not even a setup, but still. So yeah, just punch in your email ID, put next, and then it will ask for password, and then enter your password. And even after you log in, you can just connect it to your phone, but we will see it afterwards. You don't need password and all, but we'll see it later. Let's just do it via password right now. Oh, it's taking more than a minute, I guess. It's first time setup, so it's all right. Nothing to worry about. I mean, it must be doing something in background, signing up, confirming. Okay, so we are signed in to our new Chromebook, and we have these. They are just telling us that the Chrome is sync is going on and personalized Google services. If you want to review it after you logged in, you can check the box, but we'll just move on. It would take more time and the video would get long for nothing. And now we have Google Apps and Play services. You have to accept it. I mean, Play Store, if you need Play Store. And also this is backup option. I strongly suggest you to let it be on, even though they don't give you free storage much. But the new Chromebook comes with 100 gigs of free storage. We'll talk about it later too. And there's this location sharing option. I never get it, why they want your location. So I don't ever give them location. Oh, so now here is the favorite child of Google, the assistant. I mean, they are pushing assistant so hard. I mean, have you seen those extra buttons, the Google Assistant buttons on these Motorola phones and others? I mean, why do you need? And see, right here it says then connect to phone option and all. Okay, we get it even during the setup. We don't need to get into the Chromebook as well. But for now, we can just skip it, right? It's not an issue. We are just setting up for the first time. So it's done. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the welcome screen. I am not sure what is the. Yeah, it has some get started. Okay, it has some tutorials, I guess, but we'll not open it. Oh, here is Here is something interesting. Wait a sec. Oh wow. So we are getting 3 months of YouTube Premium with this Chromebook. You have to avail it. I mean, ad free YouTube is the best YouTube. I know, like, the so called legends are already using Vanced and different apps, but official, if you are getting it for free, I mean, free is free, right? And it's from officially from Google, like for using their Chrome software, Chrome OS. It's a gift. Don't say no to gift. Not polite. So you have to use it 3 months. And other help topics too. I mean, I guess you can go through it when you do it. When you are setting up your Chromebook and you have a doubt, even after other follow ups, you can use it. But we'll move on. And here there's this menu option and search bar it would bring up. And just when you scroll up, I mean, it is a touch enabled, so you can really scroll it up by fingers or a stylus, but here we will do via trackpad, so anyone can do it right from the 17999 model to 24999 model. Okay, so this is not a YouTube app. If you notice, it's the web app. I mean, we just clicked in and it's opened it in web. So I guess that's fine too. I mean, internet is internet, YouTube is YouTube, web mode is web mode. You don't need app for it. Maybe for downloading, if you are of someone who need it downloaded, little bit less storage for that, 64 gigs only. So, and I'm pretty sure you all know how to download a YouTube video from the web. Okay, so here is again they are asking for giving you ads and emails about the offers. If you have want to accept it, accept it. Don't want to accept it, don't. And let's see if we can install an app quickly from the Play Store. We'll go for the number one app, of course. Wow, this is some a game, I guess. Run Rich 3D. Okay, so okay, it was. I mean, internet is fast. If that's why for using a Chromebook, you need a fast internet or any internet at all. Internet is a must. You can use Chromebook without internet. Yes, there is that, but you still need internet for the tasks. Major tasks, you have to have internet. So let's see if it can multitask a bit. I mean, it's web, YouTube, so that would count as multitasking, right? And here also we'd go with a number one video, like trending. I'm I'm not used to use the web version, so I am not sure where the trending section is. Okay, we got it. We got it. Yeah. Okay, Hotstar. Wow. They have increased prices so much. Have you seen the latest prices? It's like 499 for the mobile only plan, 899 for two screens HD, and 1499 for like four screens and 4K, I guess. Yeah. And they are all yearly plans. They will eventually come with a monthly plans. So this is downloaded. We would just minimize this one. And this is T series music. You have to play in mind, like, so I have to mute it, of course. or it would be claimed before it is even posted. The Hindi, my video on the Hindi channel was claimed within like 10-15 minutes. Yeah. And Google Docs is also a web app. But I guess that's what would make you much more efficient and keep this laptop, if you can call it a laptop, fast. If you I mean it's just 64 gigs of storage, so it makes sense doing everything on the web. A little type test, if you may. Okay, the keyboard is okay. The space bar, I don't think I like it much, but then again I'm used to a different set of keyboard, so that would take a little time adjusting to it, but it is fine. The speed was okay, and the video is gone long. So again, you see this is the notification panel again. So it's not much of a learning curve as jumping from a first time. Like if you have never used laptop, you could still use, because it's just Android, I mean. And please remember to send in your questions. Here's the shutdown button. It's less than 5 seconds. It's done. Get your questions down below, and I'll get set to answer it in a day or two from now. So the basic setup was covered.